Dry skin, no problem. Measure 3 grams of carbamide. In the same glass, add 17 grams of boric acid solution. Use a 3% aqueous solution. As you mix, the glass will become cool. Dissolving carbamide is an endothermic reaction. This means that it requires heat from the surroundings. There is no need for additional heat since your room temperature should be enough. Time to measure 10 grams of sweet almond oil. I advise using a syringe and a dish. That way, you'll not make a mess and you won't F everything up. Pretty neat, right? Here come the big guns. Measure 20 grams of Ambiphilic Base. Mixing time. Add your sweet almond oil in portions and mix until it's totally combined. At this point, it should look something like this. Now add your carbamide and boric acid solution. Add it slowly and in portions. Mix vigorously in between. Once it's fully mixed, continue mixing for a couple of minutes more in order to increase the stability. The cream should look like this in the end. And there you have it, your very own DIY moisturizer. You can use it anywhere and anytime. It's really soothing and will make your skin soft in a matter of minutes. If you found any value in this video, hit that subscribe for more cool skincare videos.